Hello, welcome to our hair solutions kit. So this kit is created specifically to address all kinds of issues with hair, brows, and lashes. As you might know, all kinds of issues start with the skin, right? So it's not really hair, but it's usually the skin. It's the dandruff, it's the dryness in the scalp, it's the hair inability to breathe because it's clogged, the pores are clogged. So all of those ingredients will address the issues of stagnant growth, slow growth, dull hair, and when you need to rehabilitate your brows and lashes. Let me really quickly give you an explanation of what's included in this kit. So we have mixing utensils and application utensils for if you would like to use, instead of a clarifying shampoo, you can use argile green clay. So clay is absolutely wonderful to use instead of a clarifying shampoo. So basically this is what will take all of the mechanical buildup and all kinds of yucky gooky stuff out of your hair and your scalp and cleanse it really thoroughly. So all you would need to do is put just a little bit, maybe like half a spoon of clay, and then just add a bunch of water. Just make muddy water and then use this water to rinse your scalp instead of a shampoo. Obviously it would not be super foamy. It would not be foamy at all actually, but this is what will do really good cleanse for your hair. Then you have 3 oils, and the oils can be used very differently depending on what type of issue you might have with the hair or with the brows or lashes. So we recommend for brows, for example, if you're looking to restore and regrow your brows naturally, castor oil is wonderful for that. All you would need to do, literally, and we will show you separately, is just dip your stick, the olive wood stick, in the oil and then apply it to the brow line, basically massaging the oil into the roots of the hair. And you would want to apply it also where you would like the growth to be, not only on the hairline, but also in the places where you would like to see the growth. Same goes for lashes. Just apply it on the top eyelid only. Do not apply it to the lashes directly. This is for castor. Henna works exactly the same way. And also for henna and for castor, both, you are able to use them on the scalp as a scalp treatment, as a warm bath treatment, or you can add a little bit of oil to the scalp after washing your hair, and especially if you have textured hair or very super curly hair, this is wonderful to add before brushing the hair out because it really helps out with that. And my favorite oil, because it's so versatile, is jojoba or jojoba. And actually, if you didn't know, castor oil makes a wonderful moisturizer for very super dry skin like mine. See, it just disappeared in it. But also it makes it a wonderful cleanser for acneic skin. So if you have acne or any type of breakouts, go for it and try to see what this oil will do for you. Jojoba oil is a wonderful moisturizer, and it also it's basically super absorbent oil that will go and soak into your skin and into the scalp, and you can use it. You can add a little bit of it, couple of drops to your favorite conditioner, or you can just smooth ends of the hair with a little bit of jojoba oil. You can use any of those oils literally pretty much the same way, because jojoba is very rich in vitamin E, so it will be very wonderful to help regrow and restore all of the skin cells, including the hair cells. And castor oil is very rich in ricinoleic acid, so it's wonderful to regrow hair and actually awaken the hair follicles when they fall asleep. So usually we are born with the same amount of, or the same number of hair follicles, and whatever you have, this is what you have. So if you have any type of issues with hair and you would like to boost your hair growth, I would suggest using castor oil. And then for a little bit, kind of like to make it shinier and a little bit more alive, you can also add to the hair lengths a little bit of henna oil. And the same, so henna and castor you can use for about 6 to 8 weeks consistently, maybe once a night, once before going to bed, as your brow or lash restorative serum. And what's better about using a natural oil rather than a serum that you buy from a store is that the benefits from using an oil do not disappear once you stop using the oil. So basically, it just gives you a very strong and sustainable benefit. So all of those, and then just in case, we have a sponge, so once you wet it, you can use it for your hair application if you would like, or you can use it on your face to wash your face. And then obviously jojoba oil is an absolutely incredible cleanser, all over cleanser and moisturizer, so you can use it anytime on your face, on your hands, on your body, on your babies, on anyone in the family, even on the little snout if you have a little a doggy who has a dry nose. So and then if you want to use one of our straws, you can make different recipes and add oils to your mixtures. So we just have a couple of like little mini alchemy kits, so you can get going with that. And obviously everything is packaged in a beautiful, sustainably made, handcrafted linen bag you can enjoy and reuse for many different uses, I guess. Thank you so much.